Hello everyone! Today we want to show you how to work with setting gores. I wasn't planning to shoot this tutorial, but I decided to do it after showing you the dress with such gores. I realized that it might be difficult for some of you to stitch the setting gores. Today we will show you the whole process very thoroughly. This is the gore we are going to work with. We will set it in this detail. We need to cut an opening first. We'll tell you everything very thoroughly, and we will show you what to pay attention to. We drew the line for cutting. The gore will be inserted here. We need to put one edge of the gore in the line to see where we should stop cutting. About 2 centimeters down from the top. Now we can start cutting. It's very important that you shouldn't cut to the end of the gore. Next, we need to double this part with a piece of interfacing. Have a look here. This is where the opening ends. It's 2 centimeters shorter than the gore. This piece of interfacing is tiny, about 1.5 centimeters long and wide. Don't use big pieces of interfacing to do it. Now we can start taking the first edge of the gore. After that, we'll make the cut longer, and only then tack the second edge. Watch what Natalie is doing. She measured and marked 1 centimeter on each side to find the point which should be inserted in the angle. Here it is. Let's go, Natalie. Have a look here. This part can be cut only when it's doubled. Let's start taking. Natalie will show you how to tack the top part. It's very important to get right in the very first couple of centimeters. Otherwise, the fabric would be stretched. It's also very important that you should stitch not from the gore side, but from the wrong side of the item. This is the only way to stitch the angle accurately. Let's tack the other side. Once again, this is very important. You should stitch the detail not from the gore side, but from the wrong side of the item. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to control what is happening with the angle. Notice how Natalie opened the cut to tack the gore. Natalie, don't tack this side. She can stitch it without tacking. Let's have a look at the right side. Let's start stitching. The width of the seam is 1 centimeter. Be very attentive. It's very important that the needle should get right in the very angle. Then leave the needle inside, raise the foot, and turn the item. Have a look at the right side. If you cut too much, there will be a hole here. If you cut less than needed, the fabric will be stretched. Let's go to the overlocker. Natalie will show you how to edge the gore with an overlocker. Don't try to turn the detail like on the sewing machine. It's not possible to do it with an overlocker. Watch how Natalie hides the ends of the threads inside the seams. Next, we need to cut the extra pieces and go to the ironing desk. Why is it so important to double just a small part of the opening? It's easy to hide the interfacing under the seam in this case. Have a look here. Let's iron the seams. It's very important to be able to iron the seams accurately. This fabric is of a very poor quality, so it's hard to work with it. Anyway, I'm just showing you the technique. Make sure that the gore is accurate and iron the part above it. This is how it should be done. It makes me really happy that you like the series about dresses with dolman sleeves. Your support means a lot to me. Reading your comments make me feel really happy. I'm happy to know that I inspire some of you. This is the best award for me. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukšte Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.